Looking for show-stopping centerpiece ideas for your Christmas celebrations? Do you want to impress your guests with beautiful, budget-friendly designs? Or maybe you're searching for quick and easy DIY options that don't skimp on charm. Stay tuned, because this video is packed with creative ideas and expert tips to make your holiday table unforgettable. What are some DIY centerpiece ideas for Christmas? DIY centerpieces can be fun, cost-effective, and uniquely personal. Try these ideas. Mason jar wonders. Fill jars with fairy lights, cranberries, and faux snow, and tie a ribbon around the lid for a rustic look. Nature-inspired decor. Use pine cones, eucalyptus, or twigs spray-painted in metallic shades to create an earthy yet elegant arrangement. Ornament displays. Arrange your favorite Christmas ornaments in a clear bowl or tray for a colorful and festive vibe. Comment below your favorite DIY idea from this list. What are the key elements of a perfect Christmas centerpiece? A perfect Christmas centerpiece balances aesthetics, theme, and functionality. Here's how you can achieve it. Incorporate the holiday theme. Choose colors like red, green, and gold, or go for a modern winter wonderland look with whites and silvers. Layer with textures and heights. Use candles, ornaments, and greenery to add depth and make the centerpiece visually interesting. Maintain functionality. Ensure the centerpiece doesn't obstruct conversations or take up too much table space. Like and share this video if these tips spark your creativity. What are trending centerpiece styles for Christmas 2024? The top styles this year blend traditional charm with modern elegance. Explore these trends. Minimalist chic. Focus on a single statement piece, like a sleek candle arrangement, paired with subtle greenery. Scandinavian touch. Incorporate wooden accents, neutral tones, and cozy textures for a Hygge-inspired look. Maximalist extravaganza. Combine bold colors, dramatic lighting, and oversized ornaments for a wow factor. Subscribe now to stay updated with the latest decor trends. What materials should you consider for eco-friendly Christmas centerpieces? Eco-friendly centerpieces can reduce waste and bring natural beauty to your table. Here's what to use. Sustainable greenery. Opt for fresh or locally sourced greenery like pine branches, holly, and mistletoe. Reusable decor items. Choose glass, metal, or fabric elements that can be repurposed for future events. Compostable elements. Use items like dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, or even edible treats for a waste-free design. Check out the playlist in the description for more eco-friendly decor tips. How to ensure your centerpiece complements your overall Christmas decor. Harmonize your centerpiece with the rest of your holiday decor for a cohesive look. Match colors and style. Choose centerpiece colors and styles that reflect your Christmas tree, wreaths, and room decor. Balance, simplicity and drama. Avoid overwhelming the table by balancing bold pieces with subtle accents. Consider lighting. Use fairy lights, candles, or LED string lights to tie everything together beautifully. Check the description for more products, as seen in this video. How can you make centerpieces that are kid-friendly? Keep it fun, safe, and interactive with these ideas for a family-friendly centerpiece. Candy Wonderland. Fill jars or trays with wrapped candies and chocolates that kids can pick from during dinner. DIY Craft Station. Let kids decorate mini Christmas trees or create paper snowflakes to add to the centerpiece. LED lights over candles. Use battery-operated LED lights instead of candles to avoid burns and spills. Want more similar ideas? Check the description for additional inspiration. What are some tips for creating elegant centerpieces on a budget? You can create stunning centerpieces without overspending by focusing on creativity and resourcefulness. Repurpose household items. Use bowls, wine bottles, or trays you already own as centerpiece bases. Shop smart. Buy seasonal decor items on sale or from thrift stores. Go natural. Incorporate foraged materials like pinecones, branches, and berries for a free yet chic touch. Find the products featured in this video linked in the description. Creating the perfect Christmas centerpiece doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By choosing the right elements, exploring DIY options, and staying true to your personal style, you can craft a masterpiece that brings your holiday table to life. So which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more festive ideas.